Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all enjoy this video. This makeup look is inspired from Emily. She is a character in the Devil Wears Prada movie. So I just wanted to create a makeup look inspired from her. So let me know how you think it is. This is a modern take on 2000s makeup look. So enjoy. So the new movie, the sequel of the movie is coming very soon. So I just wanted to create a look inspired from the original one. So let's get started. First, I'm going to prepare my skin. I'm going to apply my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and my face lotion. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. So I'm mixing my foundation with this Sunburst Glow Mixer from Glam. I have taken a very small amount of foundation. Concealer to conceal my eyes. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. So I'm going to use my Glam cream contour. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette, and I'm going to take this shade to set my face. Now I'm going to let it sit for a few seconds. Then I'm going to dust off all the excess powder. And to set my entire face, I'm going to use this fluffy brush. So I'm using Makeup Revolution Roxx's Contour and Highlight Palette. And I'm going to contour my face with the contour shade. This makeup look is inspired from Emily, but not exactly copy. So I'm going to do my face contour and everything based on my face shape and my likings. But the eye makeup is going to be inspired from her. So now for blush, I'm going to use Glam Floral Blush Palette, and I'm going to take this blush. This is called Dynamite Dahlia. So always tap off the excess blush and coat your brush completely. I'm going to contour my nose. Now I'm going to complete my brows. My eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to start my eye makeup. So for today's eye makeup, I'm going to use this palette. This is Rupkatha palette by Hazel Studio. And I'm also going to review the eyeshadow. So this is how the palette looks like. So obviously I'm going to do a smoky eye today. At first I'm going to take this eyeshadow. This is called Mittika, and apply it all over my crease. This is very pigmented. This is just one swipe. Now I'm going to apply this black shadow. This is called Ratri. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. This is very pigmented. Try to ignore the inner corner because we are going to apply some shimmer shadow on the inner corner. Okay, now I'm going to blend this. I'm taking this fluffy blending brush and blend out the black eyeshadow. Let's see how it blends. I'm going to blend the outer corner with the previous shade. Blend all the edges so there is no harsh line. Take the previous shadow and blend it. Now dust off all the fallouts. Now I'm going to take this blue shimmer shadow and apply it on the black eyeshadow. I'm just going to simply tap it. This is also very pigmented and it also very smooth to apply. You see? The effect is so good. Like, this is actually the modern makeup, right? It's looking gorgeous. All the shadow blended like butter. So smooth. So I'm taking this brush, black eyeshadow, and this taupe eyeshadow. Mix them together and then apply on my lower eyelash and connect it with the outer corner of my eyes. It's giving so 2000 vibe. Now I'm just taking a fresh brush and I'm taking this taupe eyeshadow. This is called Mittika, and I'm just blending the edges of this black eyeshadow. So there is just no harsh line. Now I'm going to take this brush again and apply this blue shimmer shadow on my lower eyelash. Now I'm going to apply highlighter on my face and on my inner corner and a little bit on my brow. So I'm taking Makeup Revolution Soap X highlighter palette, and I'm going to take this pink highlighter and this golden highlighter together and apply it on my face. And I'm going to blend it with my finger. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to take this icy blue highlighter and this golden highlighter, mix them together and apply it. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower eye corner and mix it with the black eyeshadow. I'm going to create a small wing eyeliner. So the eyeliner has given a definition to my eyeline. Now I'm going to apply a black kajal on my waterline and I'm going to tightline as well. So I'm using Beauty Glazed Kajal. I'm also going to apply a blue kajal on my waterline. This is also from Beauty Glaze. Now I'm going to apply mascara. So I'm curling my eyelash. I'm using Technique Mega Lash Mascara. I have applied mascara on my upper eyelash and on my lower eyelash. So my eye makeup is done. Overall, this palette, Rupkatha, is a very nice palette and all the shadows are very creamy, pigmented and blendable. This is such a nice eye look that I have created with the 3 shadows from this palette. So I think it's a good palette. It is affordable and it is actually very nice. It performs like a high-end palette. So I like it. I'm going to outline my lips with this lip liner. This is from Beauty Glaze. This is called Taupe Pink. This is a cool tone nude pink lip liner. Now I'm going to add this nude pink lipstick. This is from Lily and this is called Caramel. So this is it. So this is my take on the character from the Devil Wears Prada, that is Emily. I really loved Emily's character, so I just wanted to recreate her look. So this is a modern take on her look. So let me know how you liked it in the comments. I'll see you in my next